Mashi had called. I couldn't take it. Our video ta chole gelo. So, okay. This is part 2 because my call got disconnected. Mashi called, so the video automatically got cut. Okay, so I mentioned so many people out here, humans, the baker, the miller, the farmer, then everyone in retail and transportation who gets bread to the shop and someone has to buy it, and then the person who prepares breakfast at home applies jam and jelly to it, bread and butter, or makes a sandwich, or makes French toast and gives it to us, or we eat those round rotis which we make with the rolling pin. We need to knead those rotis. So all of this is done. So we need so many people, and starting from wind energy, which is clean and green energy. But we forgot someone else who helps, and that's the meow, meow, purr. That's the cat. And the kitten. Do kittens kill mice? No. Maybe when they grow older. Beral na thakle. If there was no cat in the barn, then rats would multiply and eat the grain, food grain. And then would we get bread? And the rats are hungry too, but maybe they contaminate the grain and the flour, and we fall ill. But the cat catches them and eats them. It's protein for them, rats and mice. They protect the cornfields, the wheat fields. That's why I love those farm sets where there's a cat. So you can thank God, if you believe in God, wind, all the people who get bread. Don't forget to thank the meow, the cat. Meow, meow, meow. যখন রুটি খাবে ভগবানকে ধন্যবাদ দিতে পারো, ভগবানে যদি বিশ্বাস করো। সকলে, সব মানুষ যারা রুটিটা এনেছে, বানিয়েছে, কি সুন্দর স্যান্ডউইচ করে দিয়েছে, কিন্তু বেড়ালকে ভুলো না। কেননা বেড়াল না থাকলে শস্য ইঁদুর খেয়ে নিত, অত সুন্দর টাটকা রুটি অতগুলো পেতেই না, আর পেট খালি থাকতো। তাই জন্যই তো আমি বেড়াল খুব ভালোবাসি, শুধু একটা কারণ, রাশি রাশি কারণ বলতে পারি, কিন্তু এটা হচ্ছে সেকেন্ড ভিডিও। You will get bored. So bye.